Morning!
How is
Morning!
she? Good morning.
How are you and your special someone?
Well, I still don't know because everything's not yet clear.
Too bad. Why don't you try to patch things up? So you will be sure between the two of you.
Hmm? I think that's a good idea. But would it be look like there is really something wrong between us? He may get mad at me at thinking the wrong idea.
Um, in a way, you are right. So I could suggest you that you should approach him in a nice way, which he wouldn't notice what you're trying to do.
Thanks. That could have make everything clear. How about you? What about you and your boyfriend?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
We're doing fine, but everything getting plain. There are no more excitement.
Hmm. But there are still many things you can do.
Like what?
Trying to go out sometimes, go to malls, watch movies, or try to date someone like that.
That's a good idea. Things now could bring back the spark between us.
Um, Wait, look, Artem is coming.
Oh yeah,